Dear students, welcome to our maths program Mathssir.lk. Today we are going to learn about trigonometry. Let's see today's topic. Trigonometry. Trigonometry means measurement of triangle. Simple meaning of trigonometry is that relationship between sides and angles of triangle. Dear students, but you already study about three sides of the right angle triangle. It is known as Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem says that relationship between three sides of right angle triangle. Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse squared equal sum of squared of other side. Students, you know that in triangle consist with three sides and three angles. There are three relationship between angles and sides. These relations we call trigonometric ratios. Before we are going to learn how to name sides according to angle. Look at see three triangles. In first triangle, this is right angle triangle. Except 90 degrees, there are two angles. I name one of angle x. According to this x, we can name these three sides. You already know about opposite of 90 degrees we call hypotenuse. When considering this angle, opposite of this angle, this side we name opposite side. Other side we call adjacent. Look at second right angle triangle. Now I name this angle x. This is hypotenuse. Considering the x angle, this side we name opposite. Other side adjacent. Look at third right angle triangle. Considering this angle y, hypotenuse. What's the name of this side? Opposite. Opposite side. Other one adjacent. Students, now you clearly know how to name three sides of right angle triangle considering the angle. Now we learn three main trigonometric ratios. Consider the right angle triangle ABC. C angle, I'll take x. Considering the x angle AC, hypotenuse. Opposite of x, you know what's the name? Opposite side. BC, adjacent. Considering this x, definition of sine, SINE, short form we are reading as SIN. Angle of sine equal opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite side AB over AC. This is first trigonometric ratio. Second one, cosine. Short form cos. Definition of the angle of cos: adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent side BC equal BC over AC. Third one, tangent. Short form we name tan. Definition of tan: opposite over adjacent. Opposite AB adjacent BC equal AB over BC. Dear students, now these three main trigonometric ratios you should memorize. Definition of sine, cosine and tan. Now you know that. First of all, we take example how to apply these main trigonometric ratios. Considering the angle x, this side we call opposite, adjacent, and opposite of 90 degrees hypotenuse. First one, ratio of sine x. You know, opposite divide over hypotenuse. Opposite 3 over 5. Cosine x, that means cos adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent 4, hypotenuse 5. Angle of tan, opposite over adjacent, opposite 3 over 4. Let us take another example. Considering angle y, what's the name? Opposite, hypotenuse and adjacent. Angle of sine, opposite over hypotenuse, opposite 5 over hypotenuse 13. Angle of cos, adjacent over hypotenuse. What's the value adjacent? 12 over hypotenuse 13. Angle of tan equal opposite over adjacent, opposite 5 adjacent 12. Students, today you have learned about trigonometry ratio. If you require further information, visit our website Mathssir.lk.